times continuously. So after that poor mindset said, okay, it's not for me. It's not for me because every time I fail. But this mindset said, if two times I fail, so what I did learn, and next time I did another try, and definitely I will succeed. So this is the rich mindset. I'm talking about forget her name.
Which?
Thomas Alva Edison.
Okay.
Thomas Alva Edison. He felt
100 times.
He felt thousands times, but he never gave up because he had rich mindset. And every time I speaker asked him, "You failed many of time." So he said, "I didn't fail many times. Only I learned." So depend only for mindset, not matter your talent, how much, no matter your talent, no matter your money, no matter your place, no matter your government, no matter your country, matter only your mindset. You know, India are poor because they believe only God. Oh my God, I can't do this, so please God help me. I will offer one nariyal or agarbatti etc. Okay, yeah. So that's why they are poor because their mindset only poor because Narendra Modi said that they gave 5 kg grains for people, so they are happy. These are poor mindset, but they don't ask a question. Okay, I don't want to 5 kg only. I want to reach. I want to go abroad. I want to do something else. But okay, so these are poor and rich mindset. What about you?
Yeah, you are right. According to in my perspective also, it depends on our mindset, how we are thinking. Rich mindset, they are thinking only, they think about solution, but poor mindset, we think only for problem, we saw only problem. When problem arrive in our life, we only not get solution, we only said ki, oh my god, what happened to me, only happened with me, it happened with me, god always see me like, so we don't go only solve problem. But if you are rich mindset now, you will try to solve the problem, you try to go on solution. But in compared to poor mindset, they only solve problem and they always blame others. but and but rich mindset, they don't blame others, they blame himself, and this is maybe my fault, I will try, I will do my best. But poor mindset, they blame others. And one more thing, and poor rich mindset, they take responsibility, but poor mindset, they never take responsibility in us. They always try to depends on father, they always try to depends on nation, they always try to depends on other people. But rich mindset, they always try to take responsibility on ourselves, they always try to guide others, they always try to like for take responsibility, this is my responsibility, I will do. Life is my responsibility, I will do my life better. Life is my responsibility, I will earn money. Earning money is my responsibility, they thought like that. They don't depend on their family, they don't depend on their father only. And rich mindset, they always focus on learning, they always behave as a student. Lifetime they as a student. But poor mindset, they are thinking ki, I don't have time to learn like me, I don't have time to learn. They always give excuses, they always give excuses. But who is rich mindset, they always try to learn something from everywhere, in nature, from any people. They always try to learn something from others. And they thought ki life is the learning process, life is not only eating or only sleeping or like for enjoyment. They always thought ki one time life, and we what we can do, we try to do. And if compared to poor mindset, we thought ki we only eat, we only sleep, and we only stay in comfort zone, we don't try to push ourselves to go higher. We only thought, I am my father is earning money, what I need to do anything. I am a student, I only study and I only sleep. But if I compare to other rich mindset, they always try to do different things, they always try to push ourselves. And one more like rich mindset, their thought process, I want to tell you, but right now forget. uh, oh my god. And poor mindset, like we thought only for survival, we only thought for only survival, for eating food like that. But rich mindset always push ourselves to go higher and higher every day. And in all people say कि rich people are greedy, but they are greedy for earning new things. But in rich, poor people are not greedy for other people. Like I'm not telling you greedy means only lalchi. Only they are
Yeah.
learning for improving, they are greedy. But poor people are not greedy for only learning or improving. They are only greedy for money. When money get, they are happy, or only stay their comfort zone. They are not push higher to go. Yeah, these all are my points. I think lot, but yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. So nowadays your talking is very fast.
Okay, I will try to reduce, but in flow I speak like that.
Your flow is very best. So
Yeah.
according to me, डेफिनेटली रिच माइंडसेट वर्सेस पुअर माइंडसेट में मतलब डिफरेंस होता है. ओके ओके ओके. क्या नाम है? व्हाट्स योर नेम ब्रो? वीरेंद्र.
Virendra.
विजेंद्र ब्रो
Virendra.
जस्ट टोल्ड मी कि माइंडसेट मतलब नथिंग माइंडसेट, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू माइंडसेट में डिफरेंस होता है. लाइक rich mindset always think मतलब focus on new learning, but poor mindset always makes excuses, find excuses like that. And rich mindset respect others, always respect others, value discipline, consistency. But poor mindset don't respect anyone. He knows I know मतलब पूरा mindset ये think करता है कि मतलब I know everything, I can do everything alone. But rich mindset think that I enough, but I enough alone, but I can do with my team. I can do everything with people. But poor mindset think that I am alone and I can do everything.
Yeah, you're right.
And actually I forget.
Okay, you try to.
Very good, bro. Very good.
Yeah, you try at least. He only started learning 15 days before, and right now he.
Very good. And bro, I will suggest you don't afraid because no one judge you. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm silent person.
Not
So
silent.
that's why bro, don't yeah, okay, because we don't judge you. Okay, we are with you. We will practice each other. So don't, because everyone do mistakes, but only build up your confidence. Okay. And this mindset always take responsibility. Take responsibility and whereas the poor mindset always give responsibility in their family or friends. So poor mindset always gives their responsibility. And rich mindset people always spend money carefully. Yes. And poor mindset spends money carelessly, like
For
cigarette,
shopping.
cooking, drinking, like that.
Yeah.
But rich mindset always spend money carefully.
And they invest. They
and they invest, yes, and they invest money, but poor mindset people don't save money, always spend money carelessly. Yes, very nice, bro.
Yeah, for you.
And apart from that, A poor mindset only feel jealous.
Yeah,
For rich
jealousy,
mindset,
jealousy. Yeah.
you know, jealous. They thought they are becoming richer and richer. So I think they are doing illegal work,
Hmm.
and they feel jealous. They feel jealous, and they make excuse. They make excuse that I'm doing hard work, and he's not doing hard work. After that, he become richer and richer because there are both happened because poor mindset only think about money, but rich mindset don't think about money. Poor mindset thought how can earn money, but rich mindset said thought how can make money.
Hmm.
And rich mindset thinking long term.
Yeah, long term
And
and calculate
and
risk
जो poor mindset होता है वो thinking how to make money,
in a
make
short term.
money
In a short term.
in short term.
Yeah, in a short term.
Yes.
But they always need like take a calculated risks, and they long term fixed long term goal, and they working in long term project. But in poor mindset we thought like after one day we will pay money, like for one day complete finish of the month they always say sir give money salary sir, like that. And in village especially most like if you are rich then they see like in different way, and you are like you are normal, like everyone, so they behave like a good. But if you are get rich in your village, you are a rich person in your village, they look like different. They thought ki what he did, and like he also like bro said ki maybe he doing illegal thing and he get rich likewise. And especially in village it happened with it very normal in village. Most of people think like that. And that I want to tell you one word here: crab mentality. Poor means crab,
Yeah.
means they always try to like not pushing, like always try to bring leg, like they all like yeah, they always try to लोगों के पैर खींचना. They always like poor mindset, they don't want to reach other. They also they don't want to reach himself or others also. They always try to be normal, be same always, but they don't think they also rich and I am also rich. They always try to, I am not rich, I'm not gonna reach you, like that. They always try to be normal.
And poor mindset said जितना जितनी चादर उतने पैर
Yeah,
फैलाओ.
right.
Yeah.
Don't think
but
big.
Rich mindset said I will buy new चादर. Yeah.
they
वो
like they
मतलब
think
पैर तोड़ेंगे नहीं, टाका लगा लो चादर को, बट हम पैर फैलाकर ही सोएंगे.
yeah, and they are afraid to take risk. And rich mindset people, they are doing they take risks, and like calculated risks, not on one calculated risks. They calculate ki if I do this thing so I will get rich, if I do this thing so they always try to get risk. But poor mindset, they always afraid to risk. Maybe I have only 10 rupees, I will spend invest in 10 rupees, so like
in 1 rupees को भी appreciate नहीं करता है. In rich mindset, rich mindset take calculated risk and don't fear. If they lost money, so they don't fear. They invest again in the same company. But in poor mindset, if they lost little money, so they thought, oh my God,
yeah, what?
I'm losing, so it's not for work for me. So they reverse. But rich mindset always straight.
Yes.
So that's why
Straightforward.
richer are richer and poor are poor.
Yeah, right.
Mindset keeps our vision
And
secret. But poor mindsets always show up.
They always try to show off
Like
to other people.
Phone, bike, this is my bike, this is my phone, always so. Yeah, they have only show off. That I have bike, I have new cloth, I am doing
This thing.
iPhone, in EMI.
Yeah.
Okay, but in rich mindset people had like a small mobile. Sometimes they keep keypad mobile.
Keypad mobile they using.
Yeah, but their thinking is very big. but and poor mindset people has iPhone 17 Pro. Okay, but them mindset only. Them mindset. How can I pay next EMI?
Yeah, you are right. You know, they even don't have food to eat in at home, but they are purchasing iPhone, they are purchasing a car in EMI, and they are like every month they are paying bills, but they don't have money eat to house, but they are purchasing bike and they are roaming here and there.
And they give rich mindset people always invest money for new learning skills.
Hmm.
Yes. How to learn new learning skills, and poor mindset people avoid them.
Yeah, and you know, we all have a 24 hours, but we rich mindset people, they always think how I can use every single minute, how I can use every second in for learning, for improving myself. But in poor, in if come to poor mindset, we always try to how to waste our time, like for scrolling reels, to roaming here and there with friends. We are, our day is not fixed ki what time we are doing. And one more thing, rich mindset always, they have proper plan to what to do next, what to do not. Like every day they have made plan at morning, to do list, and they thought ki today I do this thing and I will do this thing. They always have pre-planned. But we, poor mindset, we don't get any plan, we go with flow, whatever comes in our way, we just do that thing. We don't think if I do this thing, so if it is good for me, if I do this thing, so it is good for me. They all, we not think. But poor minds, rich minds, they always think if I do this thing, so it is beneficial for me, if I do this thing, so it is beneficial for me or not. They always
Yeah.
do risk calculated time.
Yeah, it means there is a scenario. There are two party people. First one is rich mindset. Second one is poor mindset, and both have 1 lakh rupees. So poor mindset said, "Oh my God, I have 1 lakh rupees, so I will buy a new home. I will buy a car. I will buy a bike." Okay, and rich mindset said, "I have 1 lakh rupees, so I will invest that money. They will provide again and again. So they buy asset.
Yeah.
They buy assets. They thought I will invest that money for like they buy invest money for what to say, mutual fund or
Yeah,
anywhere.
any investment for
Okay, so
purchase.
they want to invest. I'm giving an example for what to say. I forget his name, but
Yeah,
always poor rich people thought to invest money. They don't think I will save money, and they okay always save money. I'm giving an example of Elon Musk. Elon Musk failed.
Yeah.
Finally, he had only his house.
Yeah, rented house.
So
he stay rent house.
Yeah, he bought his house, and after it he started business. In this time, he's a world richest person of the world.
Yeah.
World. He has $1 trillion money. Yeah.
Right. But you know, Elon Musk, I shock when I listen. He is staying in rented house. He always in, they have don't money, but they always try to do different things. They aerospace, and he ask lots of like for nation, you can say, for uh, public, like not public, for like government to give some money. I will do my, I will, like I will aerospace, but government does not support him. So he like sell everything, and he try to do all thing in, he takes risks and like that. But right now he is rich, and everyone admire him like that.
Yeah, always.
Okay.
So you are become Elon Musk.
No. Yeah.
Why not?
Why not?
Bro, we will break his record.
Yeah, you are right.
Because this is rich mindset.
And one more thing, rich mindset don't want to become everyone. They want to become himself. Like they don't want to become everyone. They want to become like different from everyone. They always try to be beat others. They like I my like they don't want to become others. They don't want to copy others. They always try to be unique. They always try to be
Okay.
better in their field.
I don't want to become Elon Musk. I want to beat Elon Musk.
Yeah, you are right. Right now you are right.
Yeah.
But yeah, and we fix like we want to be like people said ki if you want to like look at like what call in यार आपको अगर तारे चांद को पकड़ना है तो चांद की पकड़ने के लिए जाओगे तो तारे को पकड़ ही लाओगे वैसे you want to like be think big, then you can small
Yeah.
thing in around you fix a big goal, then small thing you can easily do this thing. Yeah, right.
Okay, so bro, dear, I want to go to school.
Yeah, you are.
Okay, so are you ready for in the evening?
Maybe I'm not possible for me, but I will try. I'll not try.
Okay, I will text you.
Yeah, you can
if
text
you
me.
are free. So okay,
Okay, you can.
because today I woke up late in the morning. Today I woke up around 5:30.
Okay, yeah, Sam. I also wake up late today, and yeah, around 4:50.
Okay,
Okay, bro.
dear. So we will talk later.
Yeah, we can cut the call.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Raju.